Hi, I'm Steve Maz, owner of PC Express in Sale, Manchester.
With over 25 years experience, we are repair specialists for PCs, laptops, mobile phones and game consoles. Our services include virus and spyware removal, devices failing to boot, damaged laptops and phones, and of course, new machines and upgrades. Our in-house console department, Wares Console, cover the complete range of repairs, such as the Xbox Red Ring of Death, the PlayStation Yellow Light of Death, consoles not reading discs, and handheld repairs such as the Nintendo DS and Sony PSP.
So if you have a problem, we can help. We give a free analysis on all repairs and a great after-sales service. Thank you for watching.